2 cases of the West Nile virus have been identified here in western Massachusetts. 22 News reporter David McKay is working for you tonight with some advice on how you can avoid the mosquito-borne illness.
West Nile virus has been detected in 2 western Massachusetts neighborhoods. The Ludlow Board of Health said a local water sample tested positive for the virus. The Massachusetts Department of Public Health also confirmed a mosquito in Chicopee tested positive for the virus Wednesday.
I have heard a little bit about West Nile starting to show up in the area.
So far, no human cases of West Nile virus have been reported in Massachusetts this year. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, most people who become infected with the virus do not exhibit any symptoms. Others may develop a fever, rash, nausea, and joint pain. A common carrier for the virus is mosquitoes. The best way to avoid mosquito-borne illness is to avoid mosquitoes entirely. They tend to live near bodies of water, on a coastline, in the shade, and the peak mosquito hours are between dusk and dawn. If you are going outdoors in areas where there may be mosquitoes, the CDC recommends you be proactive in protecting yourself.
So you want to make sure you're taking care of them before you get too much of a problem.
Rocky's Ace Hardware has been getting more customers looking for how to eliminate those pesky mosquitoes.
I just got out of my house, and every time I get out of my house, they seem to be around my house. Yeah, that's why I'm here today.
So what are the best ways to get rid of mosquitoes?
It's basically a little bit of everything.
Health officials recommend using repellents or wearing long sleeves, pants, and socks when outdoors. If you have standing water, try and get rid of it, or you can use more powerful repellents for larger areas in your yard or tiki torches. Also, make sure your screens and windows are in good enough condition to keep the mosquitoes out of your house.
A lot of people think it's not going to happen to me, but it does. It really does.
If you believe you are showing the symptoms of West Nile virus, the Department of Health recommends contacting your doctor. In Chicopee, David McKay, 22 News.